Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Promise to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dimas Aditya Faturrahman. What NPM 2241100X. My from class Management 22A. Next. Here I will explain material about capital structure analysis. Next. Definisi of capital structure. According to a financial expert, IMPD, capital structure or capital structure refers to the mix of long-term funding sources, such as debit securities, long-term debit preference share capital, and equity share capital, including reserves and surplus. Financial expert John G. Hampton states that capital structures is a combination of debit and equity securities consisting of financing company asset. Another definition, capital structure is balance or comparison between own capital and foreign capital. In this sense, capital itself is retained and owned company, while foreign capital takes the form of short-term debit and long-term debit. Next, function of capital structure. Maximise return. Well recent capital arrangement profit scope to increase profit per share so as to maximize return for equity shareholder and recovery on cost. Reduce financial risk. The current structure can balance the debit and equity of a business. That way you can help company to manage and reduce financial risk. Minimize capital cost. Capital structure can profit long-term debit. Capital planning for the company strategically. Thus, it can help minimize capital cost, optimizing fund utilization. Good and systematically structured capital management help companies in produce optimal output from available funds. Next, assisting with company tax planning. For company that cost the bid fund, capital management is good, can help with tax reduction benefit and to saving reduce borrowing costs. Company tax optimization can be done by using applications such as online pajak as a service provider tax application. Online pajak as feature then can optimize corporate taxes and avoid tax non-compliance so as to maximize company capital. Flexibility. A good capital structure can facilitate expansion or contraction. Debit capital to suit the company strategy and condition. Next, solvency. Good structural management can help maintain company liquidity due to and debit capital may result in interest payment share, which can reduce company cash, increase company value. A healthy capital structure can attract the attention of investors to invest in a company. 3 or 4 can increase the market value of company share and security. Next, capital structure theory. Traditional approach theory. This theory states that there is an optimal capital structure. It means structure has an influence on company value, which the structure can be changed to obtain company value, the optimal one. Set of theory. This theory determines the optimal structure by including share factors such as taxes, agency fees, or hardship finance. However, it still maintains a symmetric assumption, information, and market efficiency. So business actor will think about its taxes and financial costs. Next, Modigliani and Miller approach theory. This theory was named by its originator, namely Franco Modigliani and Martin Miller. This theory is divided into two, namely the theory without taxes and the theory with taxes. Pecking order theory. This theory states that the level of profit of a higher companies will have level smaller debit. Specifically, the company have an order of preference in the use of fund. Agency theory. This theory states that structures are created for reduce conflict between interest groups. Next, factor affecting capital structure. Asset structure tangibility. According to Weston and Brigham, the asset structure is a balance or comparison between fixed asset and total asset. Then there is also obedience. Samsudin said that asset structure determines the amount of fund allocation for each asset component, both fixed asset and current asset. Growth opportunity. Growth opportunity is the company opportunity to grow in the future. However, according to Cartier and Arianto 2008, growth opportunity is change in total asset owned by the company. Company says, form says, like companies tend to diversify product and determine the location to get as much profit as possible. Therefore, the company will be better prepared to face a crisis because of its big profitability. Company with high profit generally have more internal fund load. This means that the company has lower debit because of its internal fund enough. This can affect capital structuring. Business risk. This factor can be one of the reasons company experience difficulties. External funding, which will have a negative influence on us of company asset or fund. Next, how manager decide the capital structure. To be able to decide on the ideal capital structure for the company, manager analysis using the weighted average cost of capital calculation. The weighted average cost of capital (WACC) is the average of the tax cost of capital from all funding sources as common stock, preferred share, bond, and other types of debit. Weighted average cost of capital is the method used to determine the return of return (RRR) or minimum profit, which is later used to pay capital cost. To be able to calculate WACC, a manager needs to carry out analysis on various factory costs for a component in each funding method. WACC is also considered a fee that must be paid to attract investor interest, either whether they are a stockholder or bondholder. The greater the WACC, the greater the interest investor, but the company profit are getting smaller. Conclusion. We can understand capital structure as a comparison that occurs in retained capital with equity ownership capital, both short term and long. The purpose of the capital structure itself is to combine permanent and current source of fund for company operation. This can be realized if the company has a management structure, both capital, financial condition, both internal and external will maintain healthy so that the company will avoid bankruptcy. Maintaining financial security will also prevent debit or external loan. The hope is that company can make significant progress financial by understanding the capital structure well. Bushi is that company with a good capital structure are much sought after by investors want to invest the money. This is what makes the company capable survive amidst competitive conditions. Okay, that's all my presentasi. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.